The headland gear setting on a HEXASHIFT machine allows us to pre-select a gear for headland turns. It eliminates the need to individually shift down through each of the gears. You can see here, at the moment, we're in gear C5, and this icon here shows us that our headland gear setting is C2. When we press the headland gear button on top of the C motion, you'll see the tractor brings us straight to gear C2, and the green icon here indicates that headland gear is active. C5 is the gear that we were previously working in, and when we press the headland button again, the tractor will return us to C5. In a field setting, we'd see the tractor shuttle down each individual gear to get to the headland gear. Storing and setting the headland gear is really easy. As you can see here, we're currently working in gear C5. Our headland gear at the moment is programmed to be C1. So when we press our headland gear button, C1 is activated. To adjust the headland gear now, when headland gear is active, we can adjust the gear. So we've now adjusted to C3 while in headland gear mode. Press the headland gear button again, we return to C5, our working gear, and now our headland gear has been stored as C3. Headland gear active, C3, headland gear deactivated, and we're back to our working gear C5. The headland gear works in conjunction with road and field mode. As you can see here, our working gear is currently C5, but our headland gear is programmed to be B3. The reason for this is we're in road mode, and that allows us to program a gear outside of the range that we're in. If I turn on field mode, I'm going to press my field mode button, and you'll see that our headland gear changes to the first gear in the C range. Because we're in field mode, the tractor will not allow us to program a gear outside of the current range.